Hi friends, welcome back to English Worms. Today I am going to discuss about the current affairs GK of 20th November 2021. So without getting late, start again. So this is question number 1. The question is the annual Council of Ministers meeting of the Indian Ocean Rim Association was recently held in which city? Again, the annual Council of Ministers meeting of the Indian Ocean Rim Association was recently held in which city? Again, the annual Council of Ministers meeting of the Indian Ocean Rim Association was recently held in which city? Options are New Delhi, Dhaka, Colombo, Malé. The right answer is option B, that is Dhaka. The 21st Annual Council of Ministers meeting of the Indian Ocean Rim Association was held in a hybrid format in Dhaka. India virtually participated in the meeting. The Dhaka communique was adopted at the end of the meeting. India also congratulated Bangladesh for assuming the chairship of IORA and welcomed the Russian Federation as the new dialogue partner of IORA. Ambassador Salman Al Farisi has been selected as the next Secretary General of IORA. Question number 2. Which union ministry is implementing the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY scheme? Which union ministry is implementing the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY scheme? Options are Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Panchayati Raj. So the right answer is option B, that is Ministry of Rural Development. The Cabinet Committee of Economic Affairs gave its approval for continuation of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana 1 and 2 up to September 2022 at a cost of rupees 33,822 crore. Ministry of Rural Development is implementing the PMGSY scheme. The cabinet approved the construction of 32,152 km of roads which are to be completed in tribal and backward areas, including those affected by left-wing extremism. CCEA also approved continuation of road connectivity project for left-wing extremism affected areas up to March 2023. Next question. Universal Service Obligation Fund USOF, which is seen in the news sometimes, is associated with which sector? Again, Universal Service Obligation Fund USOF, which is seen in the news sometimes, is associated with which sector? Right answer is the options are coal mining, telecommunication, automobile, textiles. The right answer is option B, that is telecommunication. The Indian Telegraph Amendment Act 2003 gave statutory status to the Universal Service Obligation Fund. It is the pool of funds generated by the levy that is charged upon all the telecom fund operators on their adjusted gross revenue. Cabinet clears proposal for mobile services in 7,287 uncovered villages in 44 aspirational districts of 5 states by utilization of Universal Service Obligation Fund. The 5 states are Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra and Odisha. Question number 4. Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying DAHD functions under which union ministry? Again, Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying DAHD functions under which union ministry? Options are Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Ministry of Rural Development. Right answer is option B, that is Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. An MOU was signed between the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying and the Ministry of Food Processing Industry. DAHD functions under the aegis of Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. This MOU will facilitate extension of benefits to dairy entrepreneurs and dairy industries through convergence of various schemes of Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying. So this is the last question of the day. The question is, what is the position of India in producing footwear and leather garments in the world? Again, what is the position of India in producing footwear and leather garments in the world? Options are first, second, fourth, 10th. The right answer is option 2, option B, that is second. So India has the second position in producing footwear and leather garments in the world. India is the second largest producer of footwear and leather garments in the world. Exports of leather, footwear and leather products reached $3.67 billion during the 2020-21, that is April to February. Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal addressed the National Export Excellence Awards presentation ceremony of the Council for Leather Exports. So now this is turn to answer the question that I asked yesterday. The question was, which union ministry launched development of wind parks or wind solar hybrid park? Options were Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Power, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. The right answer is option A, that is Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. So now it is time to ask a question. So this is the question of the day. Question is, which startup has partnered with New Space India Limited (NSIL) to launch India's private remote sensing satellite? Options are Pixel, Bellatrix Aerospace, Agnikul, Bhasta Space. So write this answer in the comment box. I'll answer this question in my next video to come. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.